In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a database in Libreoffice Base. Whether you're new to databases or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is a fantastic free open source Office suite that offers a variety of tools, including Base, its database management system. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official LibreOffice website and follow the installation instructions. Once you have LibreOffice open, you'll see several options, such as Writer for word processing and Calc for spreadsheets. Here, you need to select Base Database. It's the tool in LibreOffice specifically designed for creating and managing databases. Clicking on this option will launch the Base interface. Now, you'll be prompted with a choice to either open an existing database or create a new one. Since we're focusing on creating a new database today, you'll want to select the option that says Create a New Database. This is where the fun begins as you start building your database from scratch. After selecting to create a new database, you'll see a Next button. Go ahead and click it. This action takes you through the initial setup process where you can configure some basic settings for your new database. At this point, you don't need to worry about any complex configurations. The default settings usually work perfectly for most basic databases. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to proceed after saving the database. LibreOffice Base gives you options here, such as opening the database for editing tables or creating forms. Think about what you intend to do with your database. If you're planning to immediately start adding tables or designing forms, choose the appropriate option. If you're not sure yet, you can always come back and change this later. This flexibility allows you to tailor the process to your specific needs and workflow. Finally, click the Finish button. This step saves your new database and completes the initial setup process. You'll be prompted to name your database and choose a location on your computer to save it. Make sure to choose a location that is easy for you to remember so you can quickly access your database in the future. And there you have it. You've just created a new database in LibreOffice Base. From here, you can start adding tables, entering data, or creating queries and reports. Remember, databases can be as simple or as complex as you need them to be. So take your time exploring the features that LibreOffice Base offers. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now well on your way to managing your data effectively using LibreOffice Base. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy databasing and see you in the next video.